Dude, this is sick. Is it 5 minutes yet? It's really sick.
No, you have 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes? Fuck, dude.
It seems like forever only because it's a phobia, you crack.
A crack? What the fuck is a crack?
I was going to start cussing, but I don't want.
No.
Are you going to stop?
Yes, I am. This little baby with the pocket.
You're wasting your time.
Fuck, dude. I can't do it anymore. I can't.
Just keep going.
Dude, this is just so incredibly sick, dude. Fuck. Shit.
Shit, Walter.
Shit, Walter.
Fuck, son.
Fuck does this? You couldn't pay me $1 million to do this every day. Fuck, I don't even care. I don't even care about $20. This is fucking sick. Sick, dude.